We broke it. We got to fix it. That's what we're gonna do in today's video. So guys, this thing surges a lot. We let it run. Oh man, it's got a ton of hours. I don't even know how many. But we let it run for like a week straight, and then it started surging. It ran out of gas, and then that's when it happened. It's got gas in it now. At least, yeah. Oh yeah, full tank of gas. So I haven't never really maintained this thing. It's due for an oil change. It's probably due for a filter cleaning. We're gonna find out. Before we get into today's video, I want to talk about my channel sponsor, which is R.N.G. Them guys are super awesome. For you CF Moto people, get on over to cfmotousaparts.com, discount code capital redneck to save on some of your cool CF Moto accessories and all the parts and all the goodies that they got over there. Them guys are super awesome, and we couldn't be able to do it without them here on the channel. For you guys that are interested in this, get on over there because they actually sell CF Moto generators, which are freaking awesome. I can't wait to actually get my hands on one. Let's start it up here and see if she's gonna run funky. She's not running right, guys. She's clearing up, but she's like missing and stuff. There it goes. It's doing it. It ain't running right. It gets really bad when you put a load on it. Let's take it apart. We're gonna need ourselves a Phillips head screwdriver to take this cover off here. Okay. Pop that panel out. There's supposed to be a filter on there. I don't know where it went. Alright. Pop this filter cover off of here. It's not even really that dirty, guys. It's clean and it's got a ton of hours on it. I did oil it and everything, so it is oiled. So it's definitely not that. But I still want to take the carburetor out of here. Just to make sure that it's not a dirty carb and might have got something in the gas or something. We're gonna find out, because it didn't do it until we let it run out of fuel one day. We didn't catch it in time. Gonna have to pull this 10mm bolt out down here. Right there. Then this cover will come right off of here. So that breather just goes to the intake air, or the valve cover. And we're gonna want to pinch off this gas hose right like that, and then we're gonna need a 10mm. We're gonna pull this bowl off of here, because if I were to guess the problems in this carburetor, there's gonna be some gas in that carb. Let it run out. I gotta get some paper towel in there. Yeah, see, there's some crap in there. Some junk in there. So we're gonna want to get our torch head cleaners. And right up here, there's a jet. We're gonna just poke through it. Get the right one here. right, let's put it back together, see if it'll run fine. All right, so we temporarily got it back together without the air filter shroud, and we tightened up the bolts so the carburetor was tight. Now let's see how she runs. Alright, so you see she still ain't running right. Well, guys, it wasn't really the carburetor. I mean, there was some dirt in it, but it was actually just this little idle screw right here. With it allows the electronic idle to do its thing, but this here keeps it from going too far. I adjusted that and it runs fine. Let's get it put back together. So we got to hook our hoses up here. So you guys were probably wondering about this. This is for the choke. This was actually, believe it or not, real easy to do. Just bring your choke out. Set that thing down in the hole. There you go. And then there you go. Whenever you turn this to choke, it chokes it. See, that's super easy. Now, gotta get this up on there, but first we gotta get it hooked onto the valve cover, which is easy. So what do you guys think about videos like these? You guys like these videos? Definitely let me know in the comment section, because I don't mind doing videos like this. Just kind of a cool, calm, laid back video. I actually kind of like them. Now guys, this bottom bolt here, this ain't too hard to do. Screw it in. These bolts ain't gotta be super tight. Now you gotta put your screen back in. Got to. Because you don't want it to suck in that air filter. See, we modified this thing just a tad. If you guys remember those videos. Alright guys, you ready? Let's fire it up. Eco mode's working good. That's working good. So there you guys go. For those of you who rode with us at Tecumseh, you'd know that we was having issues with it out there at Tecumseh. But it wasn't until like the last 2 nights or something we was having it. And like I said, it didn't happen until it ran out of gas. I don't know if it was just a coincidence or what. But we went through the carburetor anyway, because usually when they're surging, that is what causes it. But I keep forgetting this one has an electronic throttle basically, and it is what keeps it at a steady RPM. And I didn't think about it until I looked over and I seen that adjustment. I'm like, and it was actually about 4 turns from where it should have been. So definitely guys, if you have a surging Predator, make sure to check that little Phillips head screw right there at the electronic throttle on the carburetor. I guess we got a video out of cleaning the carburetor. You've seen how to kind of clean the carburetor. If you want to go into depth, you could really clean it. Maybe we'll get a ultrasonic cleaner and show you how to actually truly the best way clean a carburetor, not just kind of what we did. That's like the hillbilly fix, but that's why you're watching my channel. So, all right guys, peace out and God bless. Make sure to go over and check out Current RV or www.cfmotousaparts.com for all of you CF Moto ATV side-by-side riders. And for you guys that are interested in CF Moto, definitely check out my channel because we love ours. They're awesome. All right guys, peace out. See ya in the next one.